Hello everyone, welcome to the North Floors. I'm Maya, I'm the Managing Director for the North Floors. We are thrilled to invite you all to our grand opening on May 14 at 5 o'clock, where we are launching our new product. We have all kinds of products from vinyl to tiles to carpet. So come on in and take a look at our new stock. And this is our luxury vinyl planks collection. We have all the color you need, all kind of vinyl planks from glue down to loose clay to click. Come on in and come check it out. We are fully stocked. You buy it now, you take it at the same time. So this is all our selection of tile. We have them from Italy, Spain, Turkey. So any kind of tiles you want, bathroom, kitchen, living room, anywhere you want, we have it all here. This is our selection of carpet. This is a trendy color nowadays. This is the gray neutral colors. So come on in, all thickness you want from 40 to 60 to 80 ounce. So come on in and check it out. Selection of laminate tube. And also we do any kind of stairs, stair nosing, stringer cap, heat fan, reducer, anything you want for stairs, we have it all here. With the product you buy, we can do your stairs too.